how to get you guys free cosmetics. No matter what, we have my best friend.
Hi,
Mystic
it's
VR.
Mystic. Watch this.
First, you want to do this. First, you want to do this. We're gonna walk out and go equip the paper airplane. After equipping it, we're gonna walk back.
Right there.
Hit this, and then you want to come over here.
Get it. Boop.
Do it, and like just shoot 1 pixel, and like try your best to like glitch it out. You have to do it super fast. If it doesn't work, you can always do this. You can always throw it out the map, and then run with it, and now you should have it. Now you can play with it.
Yeah, see, look at that. Now, we can't, it's not permanent. Like, if you go back over there and then come back, it'll disappear.
Yeah.
And other people can't see it.
Wow, wait, can you see it? Wait, when I draw it, can you see it? When I draw it, can you see it?
No.
Yeah, so other people cannot see it.
Yeah.
There's like a barrier right here, see, watch. Also, look how fast you can drift it. Come on, drift. Never mind. Wait, you can do it.
Oh, I think it disappeared. Mine's gone.
And also, see, watch. You can hold it. Now come over here. I can't even see it, but when I do it, Mystic, come here.
What?
Mystic, come over here. So you wanna walk in, grab it, and walk out. And now watch. When I do it this way, you'll be able to see it.
I did not see it.
You should have been.
It was just chasing you.
Dang it.
Woo.
Here, see, watch. This is magic.
Dang, that went fast.
And also, if you unclick it and re-equip it really fast, I think it's like,
What?
I don't know
Look
if
at
it
that.
works, but hey, do it really fast. And then if you get it on, run. This is that. How's it? You should have it. See if you have it. And also, you can do it down there. And it's not just
what?
sitting to do it in.
Woo. You don't have to bring it to Just City. You can bring it, I think you can bring it to other maps. Yeah, you can bring it to...
Audio works that good? Faster than ever, for sure. That was
my thing just hurt my head.
That's all for today.
Like, subscribe, make sure you watch the next, what?
I'm gonna post like 3 new edits.
Hold on, before you sign out.
Yeah, interested?
Gaming Feast. Hold on.
And yeah, today was a pretty interesting day.
Yes, it was.
You have to see the paper airplanes. Do it.
Gotta see a party hat.
There you go. So yeah. See ya.
No, wait.
Too late.
Like, subscribe,
It's too
turn
late.
notifications on.
It's too late.
But for me, it's not too late. It's not too late for me. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on. Make sure you watch the next video. You can unsubscribe at any time. Bye!